Shima is at the root of it, I would say. Our two sons, Abhishkar Nalingan and myself. We work hard to do things, achieve things, but if there is anyone who really keeps us encouraged and provides us the thing we need to get enough energy to have everything, and if we have any issues and problems, that it's just they come to mom, I go to her, and she has been at the root of it. So when we were kind of asked to start this profession of tax and investment advising by as you know, the family priest we called Guru, and he came and he told me to kind of quit science and get into this business and help people. And it was like a bombshell, because I could never thought that I'll use this as a bread and butter for me, because I was studying, the tax and finance courses just for my personal knowledge, but never with an intent to make it a bread and butter for me. I just thought that I'll just understand this, because many people, when I moved from Louisville, Kentucky, where I was originally stationed when I came to this country in the medical school doing my biomedical research, and then moved to Worcester getting this job as a scientist in EG&G Mason Research Institute. People in this area versus Kentucky is so different culturally. People here are always thinking how to make money. In Kentucky, it's kind of laid back. The only way you make money there is put your money in a horse in Kentucky Derby and you try your luck. But here, everybody's talking to me about, join us, let's buy 3-decker, let's buy this stock, and everything was beyond me. Truly, I had no knowledge, so I started studying, and then got the tax course and finance course just to acquire knowledge. But then I went on and take the final exam from Internal Revenue Service, which is a tough exam to pass, not with the intent to become a tax consultant, but I wanted to see how good I got at it. And then I passed that exam, and now I got the license from the Internal Revenue Service as one of the...
How old were you when you...
1990, 89 when I got my license. So I think I was about 48.
Okay.
Yeah, that age. And I have two sons who were younger. So I got the license, but I just used it. But I thought that I passed the exam because of my guru's blessings. So I went and told him that I got this license and maybe I should do a hobby of doing taxes for my friends and families, but can I give it your name as the Guru Tax Consulting Service because I think it's your blessing which helped me. And he called me close to him, he blessed me, and he said, you can put my name only if you promise me that when you are successful, you will share your success with the community. That was my goal anyways, because I grew up with difficulties. But then 1990, I started the business as a part-time from my cellar. In 1994, our guru visited us and asked me to quit science and do this full-time. And it was a bombshell because I had never thought that I'll have no paycheck, to live my life and start this business with no real client base. We were just doing it as a hobby. But then Shima is the one who really gave me courage, and she said, I'm with you. We'll do it together. When our guru is saying, we can't say no to him. And we talked to our boys that we're getting into this. We don't know how the life will be. You may not have breakfast. You may not have lunch. But we'll see how things go. But we had faith in his blessings. And I thought that even if he is throwing me in a ditch, maybe there is gold. And I jumped.